Believe it or not, we made it through.
We made it through.
Oh. Want to go see how much stuff we brought you?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go do it.
We do.
Last load. Been a good ride. We are out of here. We got a bunch of our stainless tubes in. They actually brought it to the wrong location. They're supposed to send it over to where we get them laser tube cut, tube laser cut, whatever, however you say it. So on a 6:30 p.m. on a Monday, I already got to leave at 6 a.m. and tomorrow morning. I'm gonna haul those over. Thankfully someone's working late there and we'll be able to unload it. First I'm gonna go get the shocker hitch. So close, but no cigar. That's why I need a different truck with a backup camera. And I'm excited to show you what I'm getting. I can't wait till I have a backup camera, guys. Maybe everybody else out there does, but I've never had one. I can't tell you how many times I have to get in and out. You guys have never used this shocker hitch? This thing is incredible. It really helps to absorb those bumps. Invented by a farmer, I believe, in North Dakota. And it's pretty cool. Same state. All right, let's get this thing hooked up. Let's get those over to our vendor and let's get home so I can spend some time with my kids. Believe it or not, we made it through.
We made it through.
Oh, they were really debating whether they were going to let us through. It seemed like there was a lot of back and forth, closing the window. Okay, just wait.
It was Matt's red hair. They didn't worry about me. It was Matt's red hair.
I think it was this guy. They said, "Why do you have a passenger? Why do you need someone to come with you?" So the good news is we made it into Canada. We're going to be able to visit our friends and neighbors in Canada for business purposes.
Yep.
We're not here for tourism.
We're here to provide essential services to the Canadians.
Essential services to farmers.
Yep.
And to take care of business. We've got a farmer who's actually needing some sweeps for his air-till drill, maybe a Concord. And we need to get those to him from our Canada location. You'll see more on that later, but we got to get there and verify the stock is there. We've had a real tough time communicating with our person at that location, and it's just not working out. So we're gonna have to move that product and get it to a place that it's actually gonna be able to get communication to and get the orders fulfilled, get them out to farmers, and keep them going up here in Canada. So we got to actually rent a truck and move like 13,000 pounds of product, 14,000 pounds of product to a new location. And yeah, we got our work cut out for us, but it's a nice day.
We can do it.
Let's go Canada.
Woohoo!
we made a pit stop here at Fairway Ford, I think it's called, in Steinbach, Manitoba. And the cool thing is, I'm getting a truck. So this truck here, I've had for about 1.5 years now, and it's got 200,000 miles on it, which it's still running great, but I'm just worried that it's not gonna make it much longer. So check this out, guys. That is my new ride. So we got one that's slightly used, pretty good value. I'm not gonna say it was the easiest thing to get a vehicle in Canada, but thankfully I was already coming up here for some business related stuff, and it worked out so I could get it at the same time. Otherwise I think you'd have to definitely have it shipped to the border in the United States. And I'm just really excited to have this. It's got the bed liner, the 6.5 foot box, and some LT tires. So yeah, this is a sweet ride. We got to come back and get it though after we do our inventory move here. So now it's time to get back on the road. We're just south of Winnipeg in Steinbach, Manitoba, I believe. And now we're gonna go up to Winnipeg and rent our truck. So we got a Penske truck that we rented, and it's got a lift gate, so that's gonna be pretty slick. So that's our next stop. Well, we're almost to Oakville. So far, so good. We are in Oakville. Small town of Oakville. It's a nice little town. Service on Second. Just not the place to have our products right now. Finish line is just around the corner. We got this thing pretty well full. All right, we'll see you back at the new location. Well, it's Wednesday morning. We got in about 2 a.m. We just decided to go all the way to Moose Jaw instead of staying in Regina, so it was another hour after what we were planning, but man, it got late. We stopped at the hotel, grabbed some sleep, and got some chow on the go. Now, we gotta get going. We got a half an hour before we get to Roletta Tractor, which is gonna be where we're gonna keep this inventory for a while. So here we go. Looks like a nice day. It is about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and wind is gonna be gusty again, about 20 some miles an hour. I don't know what that is in kilometers an hour. Let me tell you, it's about 40 kilometers an hour thanks to my gauge there. All right, let's go. Beautiful sunrise. Almost to Roletta Tractor. And this is really out in the sticks. Destination is on the right. There's my GPS right there. Your farm needs my business. That's what the sign says. That's pretty cool. I think I know what he's getting at. He's got some used equipment here for sale. Check out his website. Also, he's the distributor for Concord air seeder equipment parts. As you know, Amity rebranded to Concord. Looks like we got a Concord PSD 51 right there. That's gonna be for demo. Cool. Another PSD over there, 61 it looks like. All right, let's go check it out. This is the office. So if you ever come to Roletta Tractor, come check it out. Howdy, howdy.
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Good, good.
Good. That was awesome.
I'm just doing a little video, but we can cut it if you don't want to be on it.
No, that's awesome. That is
Yeah.
good. Oh, you guys had a busy day yesterday. That's awesome.
This is Ryan, and he's with Roletta Tractor. We're
Nice to meet
excited
you.
to finally see you. And
No, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's an exciting adventure, right? It's
Yeah.
getting it going and seeing what we can turn into this. I think
Yeah.
it's gonna be awesome. So
you want to go see how much stuff we brought you?
absolutely.
All right, let's go
see
do
what
it.
we can do. It's going good. All right. That's not so bad.
Yeah.
Make it work. There's a little bit of everything, which is
Yeah.
pretty familiar with these.
Yeah,
Those look really familiar.
there's certainly some things we'll have to send you, like these are K2s.
Yep.
We'll have to send you some K1s eventually.
Yeah.
We probably need some SB2s up here.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
might need to take some of those SB1s back, but
It's gonna be neat. It's like I said, we use this Shopify platform for our inventory and stuff here.
Okay.
So everything we'll create a barcode for it and scan it, and it'll all be on inventory. And then people can come in. They can actually go on our website and
see the inventory right
see
there.
it and see what we have and what
Oh,
we
that's
don't
sick.
have.
Can they order right online?
Yes, we can. Yeah, it's
Oh,
awesome.
I need to talk
It's-
to you about that. That was a lot easier than going in. That was awesome. That was like 15 minutes. We're done. Well, we'll get this swept out when we pull it out of the shop here, and then we're gonna back in our trailer, our other trailer over there. All right, let's do this. Oh man, this thing has got insane acceleration now. It's like a race truck. Well, we are done at Roletta Tractor. This is the whole main reason for us coming to Canada, was to really get this product moved to Roletta Tractor in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan area. We're very excited to have that done now. It's a big deal. And now we are gonna head back to near Portage, near Winnipeg, and get all this stuff returned. We got to pick up some racking and get across that border with our new truck and go from there. You ready, Jeff?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
Woohoo!
Well, I'm back here in Fargo. Made it across the border about midnight. It was 4 a.m. when I got home. The trip was a success. Really excited to be home and back into doing things we need to get done here. The inventory's in a new location. Shout out to Roletta Tractor for all the help, for taking on this product line, promoting it, and doing such a great job with inventory. Also, I got this new truck. I'm enjoying it. And it's the first for me to have a backup camera. Really enjoying this feature. Man, that makes it easy. Thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll see you next time.